Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to explain you how to write a theoretical explanation of pictures in your research paper. So that is very important while writing, that is the explanation of pictures, block diagrams and flowcharts in your research paper is very important. So that can be done by using AI tool. So not one AI tool, you have to use two AI tool to get a better crisp content. So I am going to give a prompt also how to approach this writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools, how it will work out for our pictures explanation in our research paper. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with proper PID controller tuning with that buck and boost converter, and then we are going to incorporate it with PV and wind energy as sources, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you with how the converters will manage power flow between an input source and load, and how important a converter design will be. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using Chatgpt and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in Chatgpt and how to bring better content out of it using that is for your research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. On to our today's video, the AI tools what we are going to discuss is that Google Bard and Chatgpt only. So most of you familiar with both of these tools. So for that, I am going to open Google Bard, that is Gemini Pro. So here this is Gemini AI model. So Google Bard is changed it to Gemini. So here important option is that, so here you can upload an image in this Gemini Pro. So that is very important. So here in order to get an example, so I am taken two important pictures. One is a block diagram of a paper, that is this is a random block diagram I have taken. So next one is, so this one is incremental conductance. So it's a flow chart. So first what I am going to do is I am going to upload this flowchart image to that Google Bard. So go to Google Bard, so upload an image. So go to desktop again, so upload this image. So in this our image is uploading. So give an input prompt like that, explain the attached image. It is a incremental conductance MPPT flow chart. So just give the input prompt. So let us see how this Gemini Pro will generate answer for us. So while writing this explanation of a flow chart, so you can write it as a paragraph, or else you can write it as a step-by-step algorithm. So here our content is generated. So what you can do is, so you can copy, go to Chatgpt, so paste the content and give an input prompt. The above content is the flow chart of incremental conductance MPPT algorithm. Please provide step by step algorithm and explanation in paragraph. And important thing is that this is very important. Generate the above content technically correct and grammar mistake free. So after giving this input prompt, so our content will be started to generate. So here you can see this is the step-by-step explanation of the algorithm. So here you can see that the step-by-step explanation of the algorithm is generated. So and you can ask for the, actually it is taken the first prompt we have given. So again you can give make the above content in 2 paragraph. So like that you can give. So you can generate the content in paragraph also. So here you can see that, so our content will be generated in paragraph. So whatever the explanation you need, so you can get using this kind of prompt. So you cannot use the same the content which is generated by Gemini Pro itself. So you can use Chatgpt to normalize the content by giving this kind of prompt, and also you can get a better results out of it. I often use it to do this kind of analysis while that is while explaining the images. So you can use this option. So always make sure that the content generated by Googlebot is correct or not. So after that only you can proceed to Chatgpt to analyze the content. So next we will explore with block diagram. So next I am going to Gemini Pro again. So I am going to upload a block diagram, a random block diagram. So here I can use this block diagram. This one will be very big block diagram. So here you can see I will upload that block diagram. So explain the attached block diagram. So like that you can give an input prompt. So here you can see it comprises of a PV array, battery, different electric vehicles connected to it. So after that you can see this is a converter, and then you can see it's a load. So let us see how this Gemini Pro will generate content for us. So after that we are going to do the same again. So here you can see this is how the content will be generated from Gemini Pro. So here you can see this is how the PV array, wind, voltage source converter, DC to DC boost converter, battery, electric vehicle battery, DC bidirectional converter, AC bus, 24 hours electrical load. So what you have to do is, so copy that content, go to Chatgpt again. So you can paste the content generated by Gemini Pro and give an input prompt. The above content is the explanation of the block diagram. Make the content into paragraph. Present the content technically and grammatically correct and meaningful. So like that you can give an input prompt and see how this content will be transformed into that is explanation of a block diagram. So here you can see that this is how our content will be changed. So the block diagram illustrates a sophisticated solar power system incorporating various components to optimize renewable energy utilization, facilitate electric vehicle charging. It begins with PV array converting sunlight into direct current, while a representation of wind turbine with 𝐷FIG potential integration of wind energy, voltage source converter are employed to convert DC outputs from PV arrays. So like that it will generate the content. So you can see here. So this is how you can get the explanation of block diagram and flowchart using this both this Gemini Pro and ChatGPT. So first you can generate the content using Gemini Pro, and then you can that is transform the content into a best version using ChatGPT. So you can follow these steps to make a best explanation of your block diagrams and pictures in your research papers. Hope this video will be very helpful for you, especially when you are struggling to write explanation of block diagram detailedly. So you have to that is, you have to work on and write in own words. That can be done by using AI tools. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.